Hello fans, welcome to JK Fidelity Tech. This is where you see a lot of ways and a lot of that's technical work on how to fix your switches. And today we're talking about switches and power supply compatible with it. You can see this one. These four switches here. You can see this particular power supply is compatible with these switches you're seeing here. So I decided to make this video because someone asked about it, so I decided to make the videos. So if maybe your power supply have problem and you're looking for the maybe switch have problem, sorry, with power, and you're looking for power supply that's compatible with it, look at the power supplies and the switches is compatible with. So I just decided to make this video very small, that's very short. So that is it. That is it for today. Sorry about that. So you can subscribe if you are coming across this channel for the first time, so that if I post more videos, click on the notification bell so that anytime I post any other video, then you can be able to see it. Also, if you have any question with switches problem or anything, you can also ask. I can answer you by making another video on this channel, on this platform. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This is JK Fidelity Tech. Thank you very much. So any question you have, you can type in the question through the comment section, then I can answer you that directly. If it's the one I'm going to use video to answer, like this particular one, somebody asked of it, that's why I decided to do this video, I will do that. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching.